Let's see how to set up sender policy framework, which is your SPF record. Let's do it. First, you need to go wherever your DNS is located. If you have shifted on Cloudflare, you need to go to there. Here I have my DNS on GoDaddy. Wherever your domain is, you're going to find your DNS settings here. Here's my DNS records. Now what I'm going to do is, since I'm using Google Workspace, so here if I need to check my SPF record, this is my SPF record, which is going to be common for all Google Workspace. So I'm going to copy this, which is my SPF record. I go back to my DNS, add a record. This record is going to be a TXT record, and this was my value. And you can just put @ here at the name. What you have to do is click on save. So we have now added one DNS record, which is a TXT record. So this is my SPF configuration. Why you need to configure them? So it's going to be better for your email purposes.